In order to submit a dataset in the document server, you have to sign in using your UHasselt staff credentials. Click on Sign in or Submit. The login page of Hasselt University will show up if you are not yet logged in one of the university's applications. Now you are ready to do a new submission. At the top of the page, change the collection Research Publications to the collection Datasets. In this collection, you can describe a dataset that has been archived in an external data repository and link to it. You are not supposed to upload the actual dataset in the document server. You can fill in all the metadata fields yourself, but if you have a persistent identifier, for example a DOI, fill it in first and most of the metadata fields will be completed automatically. All that is left to do is review those metadata fields and add the information that is still missing. Make sure that the access rights are filled in and the license. If you cannot make the dataset available in open access, explain why in the field Legitimate Opt-out. Creators from Hasselt University are automatically identified and have an orange or a blue icon next to their name. To confirm them, click on their name and then on Search. Select the name from the drop-down list and you will see that the icon turns green. Then click on Save and do this for all the other authors of Hasselt University. You can change the order of the names by dragging and dropping them. Make sure that at least the mandatory fields are filled in. For example, research classification. And the field format. If the dataset you want to submit already exists in the system or has already been submitted by someone else, or if the system contains another dataset with very similar metadata, you will receive a notification that one or more potential duplicates have been identified. In that case, you can choose to discard the submission if it is indeed a duplicate, or you can say that it's not a duplicate. To finalize the submission, you can choose Save for later if you want to continue working on it later, or you can click on Deposit. When you have deposited your work, the library staff will verify your submission before publishing it. If you need help submitting your dataset, you can always contact rdm@uhasselt.be for guidance.